That's right. I am Dracula. I see we have lots of witches, goblins, and trick-or-treaters here today. I do hope some of you will help us come and play with some shadow puppets today. We will need some helpers to assist in some of the stories, and it would be wonderful to have you. Do you hear that? What is that? Is that my pet toad, Mr. Slime? Do you see him? I've been looking everywhere.
I see him. Right there.
Where is he? Oh, I must have missed him. Oh, I think he is hiding.
But you need to keep looking down.
Oh, where? Do you see him still?
No.
No. Where?
Did you see him? You need to keep looking.
No, I do not see him.
Look down.
Oh. Sadly, I think he is hiding again. Hopefully, you can help me find him today. I must catch him in time for Halloween. Will you all help me today?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Please let me know when you see him, okay? Now, I think it is time to start our first show. It's our first skit, you may know. Does anyone know the 5 Little Pumpkins? Yes?
Yes.
Ah, you are very smart, goblins, witches, and trick-or-treaters. Well, let's see if you know this one. Does anyone know what a pumpkin sews?
Patch.
That's right, a pumpkin patch. You are very smart.
A pumpkin patch. That's what a pumpkin sews.
And what is a pumpkin's favorite sport?
Sports.
What? How do you know that too? Oh, you are too silly. Okay, enough with my fantastic pumpkin jokes. On with the show. Who would like to come up and be our first puppeteer volunteer? I need one little goblin or witch. Please, someone come up and help us. Come, Carlo. Thank you.
Carlo.